full-time faculty here at New York University Tisch School of the Arts. I teach film production. As someone who's been teaching high school programs for decades, I wanted to design a curriculum that spoke to the strengths of being online. You're here, yet you're not here. You're at Tisch, but you're not physically with me here in the East Village. It doesn't matter. Over the next few weeks, you'll be doing what students do here on a daily basis, collaborating with your crew members, developing ideas, filming, editing, sharing, reworking, and starting all over again.
I felt like the lessons actually gave me the challenges I wanted. I wanted to create more and meet fellow filmmakers that were as passionate as I was. And I did.
We were able to talk to students around the world, around the globe. It allowed me to be a mentor to folks I will probably never see on different continents. And I think that is just like mind-blowing.
I got to, oddly enough, know the students a little bit better on the online program because I was talking to them on an individual basis than in the residency program. The final project, I encouraged people to find ways to collaborate with someone who is not in the same geographic area as them.
There were people from China, there were people from Africa, and it was just really cool to see everyone's different location and how that affected, their art.
Some people would film and then have someone halfway around the world provide music or color correct or shoot additional footage. So they collaborated in ways that were without boundaries, and you just can't do that with a residency program. I think that's an inherent phenomenal trait of the online class.
Working with people from all over the world with different backgrounds and different perspectives really brings out the most special things.
Jared, who was a student, he emailed me like 2 days ago, and he was like, I'm really thankful for you. I'm really happy that I got to know you. You challenged me, and I'm really inspired to go to NYU now.
You are very much pushed to produce, and the final project for this program was actually the movie I'm going to use for my application to NYU.
It was just something to just feel really proud of, because I never thought that would translate online. But I think it really worked.
When it comes to something like online education, it's like, oh, how is it going to change the classroom? And the answer is for the better.